Now, instead of quarters, you can go for broke. These have the potential to be a little bit more messy because we're using raw eggs. It just makes it more fun and more challenging. You're gonna need to have a pie pan, so that's gonna be easy. That'll sit up on top here. And then you're gonna need to start collecting do-to-do tubes. I don't know what you call them when you were a kid, but we used to go do-to-do, and it was just, so it's a do-to-do tube. Got it? Get 5 big, heavy glasses and fill each one with water. Set a tray on top of the glasses. Now the tray that I selected is one that has this little lip on it because I want that tray to catch the edge of the tube as it goes by. A tray that has no lip on it at all, well, that wouldn't help us much. So the whole trick here is to line it up and to line up the tubes. All right, I think we're set for success. Last thing is to simply put these on top. You know this is the ultimate party trick. This is better than anything anybody could do. The suspense is amazing. All right, are you ready? Here we go. 5 eggs, 5 glasses, all thanks to the law of inertia. Bam! And there they are, 5 eggs, 5 glasses. Thank you, Isaac Newton.